my God! I see this guy, yo! Oh, boy. Well, the car, boy, this is one of my cars.
They do not your cars.
One of my cars, just like I said.
Why am I going to listen? No,
This is one of my drivers now.
Did you just say one of your drivers?
One if I said you go, this is one of, like I told you, how many cars? I'm supposed to have many drivers.
Too much.
You are
too much.
Hello, now. Hello, Kibu.
When you mean, I was in nowhere in the level. My way na university.
Will you keep quiet?
You know, come now, you with admission at university.
Yes.
Ciao, bro. Yeah. Now, wow, congrats. One
Thank you, my brother.
Odins.
Thank you, my brother.
Ciao.
Yeah, don't mention.
Bye, man.
Don't mention.
So, what's the discipline in the university now?
Discipline? Yeah. You mean discipline?
Yes, of course.
In our school, lecturers, they don't take nonsense.
Jesus!
They hardly take nonsense. If you do anything that is not in line with what they want, they will now flog you like tomorrow.
Jesus is Lord!
Did you actually realize what I mean by your discipline in the university? Okay, I understand. So, bro, what's your level in the university?
Level?
Yeah.
I am go apply. And you put high level. I may go apply. I may apply more than 10 times.
What?
When I high level, we are still waiting for level.
What I mean by your level in the university is just like how many years have you been in the university?
They do only in good self. You can one day and I got just 4 years. I move more than 5 years. Now when they got past at university. Come wait 11 years.
What?
11 years ago, come back in university. I'm the oldest man in the university. One day call man again, what I'm now. I'm the oldest man in the university. 8 years come out. Then you come 15 years more.
It's God.
You didn't know school I was up.
Actually, associate prof.
You didn't know you like alone.
Mbughashi master,